Okay, hey guys, I'm Lucas.
And I'm Chica.
And where are we, Chica?
Middle of Shinjuku.
Yeah, in Shinjuku, in Kabukicho, which is actually the red light district. But that's not why we're here. We're here to use our phones to get a nice photo of that street behind us, right? We're gonna get this shot, okay? And we're gonna just, like I said, use our phones. Chica really likes using her phone, right? Yeah?
Yes.
You shoot a lot with your phone?
Yeah.
A lot.
A lot, because our phone is really nice.
The phones are really nice, but it doesn't matter if you have a nice phone. Any phone will work for what we're gonna do. Yeah, but I know Chica shoots with her phone a lot because she's always running out of space on her phone. Is that right? Yeah, I never run out of space on my phone, but the reason we're gonna use the phone, with the shot we're gonna do, we could do with a camera, but the phones have a very tiny lens, which really makes this shot better. It helps us get this kind of shot. So come with us and we'll show you how we're gonna do it, okay? Here we are, okay? Pretty cool view, right? Now what did you tell me on the way up here? We were walking up here and what did you say? What do you love?
I love reflection.
Exactly, so that's why we're gonna shoot this, one reason, because this is perfect for you, okay? So as I said, this is totally doable with the camera, okay? But just for fun today and to emphasize the value of the phone, we're gonna use our phones. So the trick is, the camera on the phone is up there, so if you just put it like this, obviously you can't see the reflection. So this is very obvious. You want to be behind, and then I just slide it down until I get these awesome, see if I go too far, so right about there, I get this cool reflection. And then, you know, we can zoom a little bit, so I just bring it in a little tighter. Ooh, and look at that. And that's fantastic. Yeah, then I focus, you know, somewhere, you know, wherever I want to make it a little bit darker, brighter or darker, yeah. And that's it. And then we wait. Of course, the neon signs are changing, you know, and that's the shot. If I focus over here, you know, it gets a little brighter. And you see how you're holding your phone away from the thing? I put it right on top of it.
Because
You have the ring. Okay, that's fine. Okay, whatever. So that's okay. Then, of course, this is the portrait shot. But if I hold my phone this way, I could get a landscape photo too, right? Doesn't have to be a portrait, you know. And that's it. I mean, it's that easy. It's a very easy photo once you know how to do it. It's nothing tricky. It's more about knowing, you know, knowing the trick and then finding the right place. This happens to be a very good place to do this shot. Okay? Yeah. So the key point that I want to say here is you don't always need a really nice camera. You can just do this with a phone. That's also fine too.
Great. I haven't thought of that.
Great. Well, I'm glad you learned something today too. Okay, fantastic. Okay, Chica, so what did you think of that photo that you just got?
That's fantastic.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, cool. And have you used your phone to do that kind of effect before?
No, it was my first one.
Cool, yeah, so I hope you use it because you use your phone a lot. So I think it's a useful technique for you, right? And yeah, like I was saying, it works with cameras, but it works with phones really well. All right, so please subscribe to our channel for more tips about photography in the streets of Tokyo, and always challenge your eye.